O-1 visa. The O-1 visa is a great option if you have an extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, business, athletics, or education, or if you have a history of extraordinary achievement in the motion picture industry or television industry. With an O-1 visa, you can live and work in the United States for extended periods of time, and your spouse and children may be able to accompany you as well. It is a non-immigrant visa. To qualify for an O-1 visa, you must prove that you have an extraordinary ability, and that you are coming to the USA to work in your field of extraordinary ability. The O-1 visa petition must be filed by a US employer or agent. You cannot file an O-1 visa petition on your own behalf. It is not eligible for self-petition. The US company or agent is the petitioner, and the person receiving the O-1 visa is the beneficiary. Benefits. You can live and work in the USA for extended periods of time. With the O-1 visa, there is no limit to the numbers of times you can extend your status. Once approved, your first O-1 visa petition can give you lawful status in the USA for up to 3 years. You can then extend your status for up to 1 year at a time. There is no limit to the number of times you can extend your O-1 status. For this reason, some people stay in the USA for 15 years or more with an O-1 visa. Benefits for your immediate family members. By getting approved for an O-1 visa, your spouse and unmarried children under 21 years old are eligible to accompany you in the United States. Your spouse and unmarried children would obtain O-3 status as your dependents. Your dependents are not permitted to work in the United States with O-3 status, but they can attend US schools. Another feature of the O-1 visa is that it allows you to work for multiple different employers in the United States. O-2 visas available for your assistance. If you are approved for an O-1 visa, you may be able to bring workers to accompany and assist you in the United States. These workers would apply for the O-2 visa. The O-1 visa is eligible for premium processing. With premium processing, USCIS will review your file in 15 days or less. Another benefit of the O-1 visa is that there is no annual cap on the number of O-1 visas issued. Requirements. The supporting documentation for an O-1A petition must include evidence that the beneficiary has received a major internationally recognized award, such as the Nobel Prize, or at least 3 of the following forms of evidence: nationally or internationally recognized prizes or awards for excellence in the field of endeavor, membership in associations in the field for which classification is sought, which require outstanding achievements of their members, published material in professional or major trade publications or major media about the beneficiary, beneficiary's participation on a panel or individually as a judge of the work of others, and beneficiary's original scientific, scholarly, or business-related contributions of major significance in the field, authorship of scholarly articles in the field, in professional journals or other major media. The beneficiary has been employed in a critical or essential capacity for organizations and establishments that have a distinguished reputation. Evidence that the beneficiary has either commanded a high salary or will command a high salary. Going from an O-1 visa to green card. There is a green card version for people with extraordinary abilities, which is called the EB-1 category. This is a separate process than the O-1 visa, and the government has to analyze and adjudicate. Having an O-1 visa doesn't mean that the green card will be approved even with similar requirements. You will have to either apply for an adjustment of status when you go from non-immigrant status to immigrant status, or apply for an immigrant visa abroad. In order to do an adjustment of status, you must be lawfully present in the United States. The O-1 visa is a complex visa category that requires experience and strategy. Let our experience be your guide. Galler Law Firm.